Meta is introducing new AI image creation features on Instagram, and if you have a public account, your photos and videos could be reused by others to create AI-generated content. Want to prevent this from happening? We're here to help. In this video, I'll show you how to opt out of Meta AI reusing your Instagram posts, Reels, and original audio. Let's get started. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version so you have access to all the newest settings. Now, open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to the section called How Others Can Interact with You. Then tap on Sharing and Reuse. Next, scroll down to the section labeled Allow people to reuse your content on Instagram and with AI features at Meta. Here, you'll see options for posts and Reels. Turn off the switches next to both to prevent others from reusing your content. Below that, you'll also see an option to allow reuse of your original audio. Turn off that setting as well to fully opt out. Once you've disabled all these options, your content will no longer be available for reuse by Meta AI going forward. Keep in mind, this won't remove any content that may have already been created using your posts before you change these settings, but it will prevent any future use. And that's it. That's how you can protect your Instagram content from being reused by Meta AI. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials.